So if you've never heard of TVP before, you come to the right place. What's up everybody, welcome back to Edible Knowledge, giving you the what's what of food from around the world. And like I said at the beginning, yeah, we're talking about TVP, which stands for Textured Vegetable Protein. But despite its name, it's usually made from soybeans. It's created during the process of making soybean oil. After the oil has been extracted, a high protein paste is what's left behind. Long story short, the paste is formed into different shapes and then dehydrated. That being said, the dehydration process is also the reason why, of course, you have to rehydrate it before you make things like chili, meatballs, sloppy joes, and a whole bunch of other things. Originally, the Archer Daniels Midland Company were the first ones to create TVP in 1965. And get this, up to the time of recording this video, they still own the trademark to the product. Did you know TVP has also been made with wheat, oats, and cottonseed, so be sure to check the label if you have a gluten intolerance. On its own, TVP has very little flavor, so it's basically like a sponge and soaks up whatever seasoning you offer it. That being said, you can also buy seasoned TVP. Seasoned or flavored TVP can last up to a year in an airtight container, while unseasoned can last indefinitely. And according to Cookipedia.co.uk, TVP made from soy flour contains 50% soy protein, but when it's made with soy concentrate, it contains 70%. In just a quarter cup of TVP, or 17 grams, you will find 56 calories, 9 grams of protein, 0.2 grams of fat, 3 grams of fiber, and 6 grams of carbs. TVP also contains things like vitamin B6, copper, folate, magnesium, thiamine, phosphorus, and iron. So, any downsides? Well, Healthline.com notes that most of the soy grown in the US is actually genetically modified. And they state that yes, although it is labeled safe to eat, some people may simply choose to limit their intake of genetically modified products. Also, soy is one of the most common allergens. There's 8, actually. Milk, eggs, wheat, peanuts, tree nuts, fish, shellfish, and soy. So if you have a soy allergy, you know that one of the side effects can be anaphylaxis. And if you don't know, get in touch with your family doctor. Well, there you have it, we're done. Did you learn anything today? I certainly did. And if you want to learn more cool stuff, click the links right here. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.